It's nearly time for bed. Papa Pig is giving Son his bedtime bath. Have you think?
All done.
Oh, thank you, Papa Pig.
Sounds like you're ready for a good night's sleep, son. Night, night, son. Are you tired too, Pink Pussy? Just little Star to sleep at home today. Hello, little star. Are you ready to twinkle? Yeah. Twinkle, twinkle all night long. Twinkle till the morning Nighty night, little star. Nighty night, Papa Pig. Good night, Bobo. Night, night. Night, night, cloud baby. Night, night. Night, night. Papa Blue. Papa Blue. What? You're snoring. Try lying on his side. Sorry, Papa Pink. Twinkle, twinkle all night long. Twinkle till the morning comes. Twinkle, twinkle all night long. Twinkle till the morning comes. Twinkle, twinkle all night. Huh? Twinkle, twinkle all night long. What's that funny noise? Don't like it. Yeah, baby. Wakey, wakey. Let me in. Little star. What's wrong? Big rumbling rumble noise in the sky, and I don't like it. I can't hear anything. Can you? No. Well, little star's not twinkling. I want to stay here with you. All right, little star, you can stay, but just for tonight. Your points are really pointy, little star. I have to get up early tomorrow to give Son his poem. Why don't you sleep in Papa Blue's bed? Okay. Little star, What was that? It's the bubbly grumble noise I told you about. I wonder what it is. Maybe it's the cloud. Clouds sometimes make a noise like that. Come on, we have to find out or none of us will get any sleep. This way. Come on. The noise is coming from up there. It's coming from that cloud. Come on. It's shaking. What could it be? Oh! So that's what's making the sleeping on his back, like you do, Baba Blue. But it's okay, because when you turn on your side, you stop. Oh, I see. We should turn on his side. Good idea, Baba Pig. Come on, let's do it. Ready, Cloud Babies? 1, 2, 3. It worked. You Cloud Babies are so clever. Thank you. Little star twinkle all night long.
So the Cloud Babies all went to bed and had the best night's sleep ever.